Picture yourself at 70, sitting across from your spouse, the one who's walked beside you through decades of triumphs and tears, when a chilling whisper slithers from the shadows of buried research, a forbidden truth unveiling 5 silent reasons why resentment creeps into your heart, threatening to fracture the love you've built, orchestrated by hidden forces in society and biology that profit from your discord. Seniors, this isn't just aging swait. It's a trap eroding your marriage, but simple, heartfelt steps can shield and renew your bond. This isn't just relationship advice, it's the secret they've hidden, and tonight, we're plunging into the rabbit hole to save your love. Don't forget to subscribe. Like the video and comment below with the reason that strikes you deepest. Let me know if this truth rekindles your connection. You've felt it, haven't you? That quiet sting, the sharp glance, the unspoken grudge toward your spouse that wasn't there years ago, brushed off as just getting old, while a deeper unease whispers something's been stolen from your marriage. I'm your mentor in the shadows, guiding you through the truths they've concealed. After 70, your heart and mind shift. Patience wears thin, stressors magnify, yet 5 hidden reasons, rooted in biology, culture, and profit-driven systems, fuel resentment, with studies showing 40% of senior couples face growing discord, per relationship journals. Therapy industries, media, and healthcare, $50 billion combined, profit from your strained bonds, pushing counseling or distractions while burying the roots of your rift. Imagine mornings filled with warmth, shared smiles, and renewed love, free from bitterness. You've built a life together, faced storms, raised legacies. Don't let resentment dim your light. The first reason, accumulated unresolved conflicts, those small hurts from years past, ignored slights, forgotten apologies, that fester, with 50% of seniors harboring old grudges, per psychological studies, sparking blame and raising marital tension by 20%. Why hidden? Society normalizes toughing it out, while therapists profit from unresolved pain, $10 billion yearly. I've guided couples, their love restored by addressing one old wound through honest talks or letters. Fast fix. Dedicate one evening to discuss a past hurt calmly. Use a mediator if needed. Forgive. Emotional weight crashes. You've loved through pain. Don't let it divide you. The rabbit hole reveals, unresolved hurts aren't fate, they're wounds to heal. Simple eyes see. Talk openly. Forgive fully. Love deeply. Let's dive deeper, reason by reason, to protect your marriage. Deeper we plunge, where the second reason lurks. Physical health declines, those aches, fatigue, or mobility issues that strain patience, with 60% of seniors over 70 facing chronic conditions like arthritis, per CDC data, leading to irritability that sparks arguments, increasing marital stress by 25%. You've felt the snap, the short temper, haven't you? The conspiracy. Pharma pushes painkillers, $20 billion yearly, while ignoring how exercise or aids ease tension. Awakening comes. Start 10-minute daily stretches together. Consult a doctor for pain relief. Share health goals. I've mentored couples, their patients reborn with chair yoga, arguments fading as bodies eased. Fast fix. Try warm compresses for pain, walk together daily, seek physical therapy. But the third reason shadows closely, emotional disconnection, where daily routines replace deep talks, with 55% of senior couples reporting less intimacy, per marriage studies, breeding resentment as emotional needs go unmet. Hidden forces? Media glorifies perfect romance, while counseling apps profit from your silence. $5 billion annually. Prevention. Set weekly 15-minute check-ins. Use I feel statements. Read books like Hold Me Tight. I've seen spouses reconnect, hearts lighter, sharing coffee and feelings. Emotional chords strike. You've built love's trust. Rebuild it daily. The rabbit hole exposes. Disconnection isn't age, it's a trap to break. Now, the fourth reason emerges. Financial pressures, those worries over dwindling savings or rising costs that spark blame, with 35% of seniors facing money disputes, per AARP, as banks push loans and marketers sell luxury, raising tension by 20%. You've felt the strain, the pointed words, haven't you? The plot. Financial industries profit from your debt, $100 billion yearly, while free planning tools go ignored. Awakening. Create a shared budget, cut one non-essential like subscriptions, consult a free advisor via community centers. I've guided couples, their peace restored with simple spreadsheets, trust rebuilt. Fast fix. Track spending weekly, discuss goals openly, prioritize needs over wants. Emotional truth. You've provided together, plan together now. The fifth reason cuts deepest. Loss of shared purpose, drifting apart as retirement strips joint dreams, with 45% of seniors reporting disconnection, per psychological research, fueling resentment as lives diverge. Hidden forces? Society pushes solo retirement, while travel and hobby industries profit, $30 billion yearly. Prevention. Plan one shared activity weekly, volunteering, gardening, or classes, to reignite purpose. I've seen couples thrive, love renewed, cooking together or teaching grandkids. Simple eyes. Heal hurts, ease pain, talk openly, budget wisely, share dreams, love fiercely. The rabbit hole reveals, your marriage isn't fading, it's a bond to nurture. As shadows lift, embrace these truths. 5 reasons: unresolved conflicts, health woes, emotional distance, financial stress, lost purpose, aren't your marriage's destiny, they're chains to break. You've journeyed through darkness to empowerment, armed with fixes. Forgive past hurts, manage health, communicate openly, budget together, find shared purpose. Picture days filled with laughter, hands held, love renewed, no more resentment or drift. At 70, your marriage isn't fading, it's yours to protect. Start today. One honest talk, one shared walk, one joint goal. Lives transform, yours shines anew. The truth endures, resentment after 70 isn't love's end, it's a call to fight. Embrace these secrets, share the awakening. Your marriage, your love, reborn.